Let's prepare on the TRB Polytechnic exam 2017 Civil Engineering question paper. Question number 86. If A is equal to a matrix is given, then the eigenvalues of A cube is what? So we can directly find the eigenvalues of A, and with that we can find the eigenvalues of A cube with the use of the properties of the matrix. So before going into finding the eigenvalues, first let us see the properties of the matrix here. So these are some of the basic properties to be known for the matrices. Okay, the first one is any square matrix A and its A transpose will have the same eigenvalues only. So if we are asking for A transpose matrix means we can find the eigenvalue for A alone. So that is enough. So the second property is the sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to the trace of the matrix. So trace means it is nothing but it is the summation of the values in the diagonal of the matrix. So if it is a 2 cross 2 matrix means the first row's first element and the second row's second element. So like that you will take the diagonal alone. So that summation value will give you the eigenvalues summation. So this will be equal. The third property is the product of the eigenvalues of a matrix A is equal to the determinant of the A. So we know to find the determinant of the matrix, and if we do the product of the elements, that is eigenvalues, means we will get the determinant. So if in a question they have given a determinant value and they have asked to find the eigenvalues, or they have given a matrix and they have asked to find the eigenvalues, means with the options itself we can do that. Because we know the determinant and we can simply randomly multiply the eigenvalues in each option so that in which option we are getting the correct value. If only one option is getting that correct product means we can directly go for that option without going for the steps to find the eigenvalues. So the next one is if lambda 1, lambda 2 to lambda n are eigen of A, then the eigenvalues of K into A. So this only comes to our question. So some constant when it is multiplied with the matrix, the eigenvalues also will be multiplied with the same matrix. Okay, so if it is K into A means the eigenvalues will be K into lambda 1, K into lambda 2, like that. And the power also. The second is A power m means here it is lambda power m, lambda power 2, like the same. So in our question they have asked for A cube, no? So we can find the eigenvalues for A matrix and we can just take the cube of that values. And the third one is A inverse. So inverse also it's the same thing. We have to take the inverse of the eigenvalue. So 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2 and goes on. So now let us enter into our problem. So here the matrix given is A is equal to minus 2, 0, 5, 0, 3, minus 11, 0, 0, 1. So luckily we are having a upper triangular matrix here. Because in the lower three values we are having 0. So as we are having the 0, we can directly take the diagonal elements as the eigenvalues of the matrix. So this is also one of the properties. So for 1 mark questions and all, they will be asking such easy matrices only so that we can find the values directly. So if the zeros are like this, that is in this L shape, means also the diagonal values can be directly taken as the eigenvalues. So here we are getting minus 2, 3 and 1 as the eigenvalues. So as we have to find it for the A cube matrix, minus 2 cube is minus 8 and 3 cube is 27 and 1 cube is, so the answer is this one. So here option C is the right answer. Thank you and keep watching for the continuation of this question paper discussion.